couple weeks ago I posted a video about trench composting right here. Let's dig it up and see what it looks like. See if we got something. Ah, here we go. Right in here. I just, here's an egg shell. And it's like the only thing I've found so far in this spot. Maybe I need to dig deeper, or if it's just mostly gone now, I think. This is remnants of some grease, maybe, that actually made it in the compost by accident. But this is also composting slowly, and it'll be gone the next time we dig this up. So you can see a majority of this is already composted. It's gone. It's been broken down by the bugs and by regular decomposition. Everything is perfect in this spot, and you can see how rich this soil is. So you can know what was in that compost. It was mostly fruits and vegetables tailings, as well as some expired milk and some old bags of stale chips. There was a watermelon rind, a couple eggshells, and almost all of that's gone in just a matter of a couple weeks. I don't want to keep disturbing all the plant roots, so I'll do this one more time in a couple weeks. We're digging down again where the trench composting was, by the peppers and tomatoes. This is the second time I've done this. There's the eggshell. That was the only thing I could find last time. Oh, there's another piece. Another eggshell. So the eggshell breaks down a lot slower. Usually you can crush those before they go in your garden. But you saw how big of a trench this was earlier in that previous video. There's something. Ah, yeah, a thick broccoli piece. Other than that, you guys can see just how nice that composted, how rich that is now down here. I can't find any more compost in this whole section. Another egg. Oh, I knocked off a green tomato. Oops. The smell is gone. It's nice and rich soil now. Fluffy. The only thing that's left is that one eggshell, so if I had crushed that up, it would probably be pretty much gone. Well, there's your follow-up. Trench composting works.